How to resize page in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Canva application on a device and select a project over here. As you can see, I've already selected a project. Now if you want to resize the page in Canva, what you need to do is you need to have a premium version of Canva. Now I do have the page over the premium version of Canva, so I'm going to simply tap on the project over here. Now simply drag the options at the bottom to the left and you can see the option of more. So tap on more and here you can see the option of resize page. So this is the premium feature that is available. So simply select on resize page and here you can resize the particular page that you have selected to different other page or resize it according to different options or your requirement. I'm going to tap on Instagram post for now and it will start resizing the page over here. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to cellular data as well. Now it has been resized. So now you can simply download it by tapping on the top right corner, tap on download and simply select on the download option. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.